This is NDTV, and you're watching NDTV 24/7.
Okay, welcome back to Couture with Karan. We're on day 2 of HCL Couture Week. Lots of fun, lots of excitement coming up, and so is Anisha.
Hi.
Hi. Now, as you know, Anisha's doing rather well for herself because she has a little bit of glitter on her tonight.
I did it just
and
for you,
she
Karan.
hasn't realized that we actually are kind of matched. We're having a bling is king moment right now.
I thought, what would Karan want me to wear today, and this is what I came up
Yes,
with.
the hair could have also had a little alterations, but we won't get into that. You know me, I just want to be blunt, which is also, I think, Audna
Something that I
Akhtar's hair
clearly need to
salon.
do, yes.
Pun intended there.
Yes.
Yes. Anyway, so all right. So
Yeah.
we have the jewelry
Big day.
show,
Big-
day.
yeah.
We have the jewelry show. Raj Mehtani, Queenie Dodi, Mahib Kapoor, hosts of showstoppers, lots of celebrities in the front row, and on the ramp. Let me finish, Anisha.
Alright.
Why are you so excited? I know why you're excited because you know my show is coming up.
And that is what
Build it up. Say something.
I'm just saying that it is the show that everyone has been waiting for. It is the show that has had lines of people queuing up all evening waiting to get in. There have been catfights right over here for front row seats.
And look how full it looks. Just look.
The show's over.
Look. Right, look, these are the people have been clamoring for seats, as you can see.
The show is over. This is what happened earlier in the evening.
Yes,
Karan,
shall we show them what happened?
I think we should.
All the excitement.
I think all
All right.
and two very exciting showstoppers.
Point, say have a look.
Have a look.
Okay.
Couture gives way to star power as Beta's favorite filmmaker Karan Johar gets his Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum team to share the ramp together as a family.
So whether it's Samitji and Duggu and all of us here, the family, I think we all just love to come and cheer them on.
The Dabangal shimmers gracefully on ramp, and yes, this time there is no tripping involved. And Bollywood comes to cheer its best as the front seats at Couture Week get cramped to clap for one of their own.
It's not really my scene, fashion shows, but Karan's we attend every year, and after this, Shabina usually has a party,
Nice.
so we all turn up there. So this is the kind of one night this month that I'm going out.
How did you like this selection?
I like Amitji and Duggu a lot.
Yeah.
I thought they were very dapper and very, very cool. And I think all the other boys, I'm not much, this is his suit. So I think the collection's very dapper and cool. So you make a shirt with a zipper and all. So I think it's very cool. I think everything looked very nice. Mashallah. I think Karan and Varun won. They're all both really wonderful guys.
Yeah.
Karan, of course, is family, and Varun I've gotten to know over the years, and I think he's a wonderful guy. So everybody feels very happy if things happen good for them. So whether it's Samitji and Duggu and all of us here, the family, I think we all just love to come and cheer them on.
The last year when I met you, this time of course you were very nervous because Gauri was making a ramp debut. You were of course going to be accompanying her. Did you miss those nerves this time, or were you relieved not to have them?
No, I'm absolutely all right, darling. I've been trying for 20 years to become an actor. So the other things that happen around me, I'm not really. It's very nice. Gauri and the whole family comes together and does this stuff for Karan. But I'd rather not. This is nicer if they can just call me and tell me, just say hello to everyone.
No, but did you miss being nervous about her? And again, is this a collection? Have you seen anything here that you'd particularly like to pick up? Or?
From Karan, he's given me 2 suits. I think they're the best.
I think that is.
Yeah, and the overcoat that Amitji was wearing,
Yeah.
and that thingy that Duggu was wearing, yeah. Both of them.
Our friend Karan Johar, come here. My friend Karan Johar is the best.
And my
And his
friend
show is
Rani
fab.
Mukherjee is beyond the best. I mean, she's somebody who supported me, I think, ever since I took my first shot in my career. From the time I screamed at her to lose weight to the time I applauded her for her best performances, I think we've been through a kind of a
lost
journey.
weight now.
And lost weight and looking stunning. And after 10 years, when I took the dessert plate out of her hand,
And then what do you shout at Karan for?
she won't shout at me.
He is older than me, so he takes advantage of the fact that he's older than me. So he can scream at me and I have to keep quiet and listen to him.
What did you think of the show?
You answer this
Fab,
one.
fab, fab, fab.
Who did you cheer the most for?
Actually for Amit ji, to be honest, yeah.
And which of the pieces?
I thought so hard because it was a contest, but Amit ji.
Which pieces have you planned to pick up for Amit?
Actually there was a piece, actually I don't know who was wearing it, but there was a jacket with a lot of detailing which was really nice. I liked a lot.
I'm so glad I didn't wear my gold shorts because I was planning to wear them today, and it would have just been embarrassing to be wearing the same outfit as the models on stage. But other than that, I thought the other pieces were very sharp. I liked some of the suits and I liked the skinny pants.
Karan was very, he was like, he was the stimulus for it, and it was sweet. It was sweet. It was fantastic. I mean, that completely displaced me off. Absolutely. Because first there was just Mr. Bachchan, all right? I'm already walking with a god, and there comes the second god, right? So that I'm like, whoa, dude, what am I doing here?
It's a holy triad. It works, I can tell you, from the audience point of view.
But it was nice. I mean, they're so great. They're so sweet. They're so, encouraging. I loved it. I think it was a moment.
And my final question, because I do know you have to go, is that, I heard the reception that everyone just screaming and cheering, and you were under very strict orders to keep a very stern face.
Yeah, I was.
Was that hard?
In the beginning I thought, all right, this is okay, I can do this, but by the 15th step, I was like, dude, I have got to turn. They're like cheering for me. I'm not used to this. I'm not used to ignoring. So it was a little tough, but I gave it my best, and I hope I performed well enough.
Fantastically. It was wonderful to see you, and again,
well, Karan is like family. He's like a little son to me. Seen him grown up from the age of, when he was a little kid. So when he asked, I just couldn't refuse. And just wonderful, great moment for him.
Did you have fun? You looked amazing.
Really?
I mean, you heard the catcalls, so you know.
Once you get onto the ramp, you can't hear a thing, you can't see a thing, you don't know what you're doing. So I hope everything went well.
You must have heard some of the catcalls. I mean, there was hysteria, and I was backstage and I could hear it.
Oh, okay. No, we go sort of, dumb at that time. Can't hear a thing, deaf and dumb, everything.
This is something you do for very few, very special people.
Right.
What again makes Karan special?
Well, as I said, I think it's wonderful to see somebody so young venturing out into other vocations other than filmmaking, which he's so good at. And any time that he needs any kind of encouragement, Yashji, his father, and me have been very close. And it's just that, it's like a member of the family asking you to come along.
And Karan is a designer. What did you think of the collection?
Well, I'm wearing his jacket, and it looks really nice, and a lot of the stuff that we saw on the ramp was quite amazing. Yes, I was asking him where he gets the time to do all this.
This is Karan Johar's show, so he's a dear friend. So he called, and I'm in attendance.
What are you sort of looking forward to from him? Just again, we've discussed earlier that sort of
every year, actually, the truth is, every year this is the only show I think Manish we walked for and stuff. I mean, it's not really my scene, fashion shows, but Karan's we attend every year, and after this, Shabina usually has a party, so we all turn up there. So this is the kind of one night this month that I'm going out.
Did you buy anything from Karan's collection last year, or should I not ask?
No, you can ask me. I haven't, but he normally sends clothes that he insists I wear. This time he hasn't, so I had to rely on my own wardrobe.
May I ask if it's more fun walking down the ramp with her or sitting here and cheering for her?
What's more fun? I think it depends. Right, for now I'm quite happy to sit here and cheer.
I want
Not too many people wearing clothes backstage, but that's the way I suppose you girls out there like it. I'm backstage and about to get out of everyone's way because a lots more fun and excitement coming up. Stay tuned to Couture with Karan and I'll be right back. Welcome back to Couture with Karan. Now, you saw all the action that happened on my show, but let's go and find out who really brought the bling on. We're with the Jewelry Girls. A display of tremendous jewelry will walk the ramp tonight. And we're going to start with my very dear friend Maheep Kapoor and her stunning showstopper Sonakshi. Maheep, so how does it feel? You're hitting the ramp tonight. I mean, not really. You're not hitting the ramp tonight because I'm not so sure whether you want to qualify. No. But how does it feel?
I'm nervous. And I'm excited, and I've got gorgeous girls walking. All my friends, all my girlfriends are walking, so I'm excited.
And what I see Sonakshi wearing is really validating that fact. I believe it's the best jewelry on the block. Is it true?
Of course it is.
Huh.
You didn't know? She's not modest.
Sonakshi, are you braced? Have you braced yourself tonight on ramp?
Yes, I've braced myself. Hopefully I should be on my 2 feet and not all fours.
Yes, I was insinuating that very subtly.
Yeah, I know. I could see some from your smirk. I thought I'd just give it to you since you're asking for it. But no, tonight I'm going to kill it.
That's what I read, a very interesting statement from Dabang to Dharam. It was quite interesting and funny.
That's my idea actually. I said Dabang ke vajay Dharam ho gaya. But so what, you know, I mean, I fell. I can't stop walking.
But firstly, I just want to congratulate you on your outstanding debut. What a blockbuster, what a super hit, and how gorgeous you look, darling, in the film.
Thank you so
really
much.
did. You made every man smile when he saw you.
Oh, I'm glad. I think
I'm sure Mom and Dad are really proud.
That's more than half the battle won.
I'm standing with Queenie Dodi, who's going to show her jewelry collection very soon. And of course, her showstopper is truly the girl of the season, Malaika Arora Khan. Welcome to Couture with Karan. The nation has seen those lips blush, and we are getting a one-on-one chance to do the same. Thank you for the honor. Give us the Munni pout. Come on. So 1, 2, 3, and... All right, fantastic. Now, Queenie, tell us something about your collection, and very quickly.
What can I say? I already told you. It's fabulous.
Yes, we already had it.
It's brilliant. It's glittering. It's stunning. And you know, Malaika wears my jewelry otherwise too.
So, trust me, I hope you're not giving this to her free, because after the money her movie has made, she can buy the whole collection.
You know what? I want her to do better and better. She's buying more and more jewelry from me, honey.
That's a patent line. Every time I make any money,
she is my client.
That I buy more.
Do you know, guys, I am actually standing next to the richest girl in Bollywood today because her film has broken every conceivable record, and I feel very honored to stand in your... It's not coming in? Where is it all hiding, Malaika?
It's all going to come. It's all coming.
And I'm sure Malaika will find interesting places to hide her money.
You've lost the case, my God.
Okay, Anisha, I'm exhausted and an MRI awaits me. I'm kind of broken right now, so shall we just say goodbye to day 2?
I think we should say goodbye to day 2. You've certainly earned it.
Yeah, well, thank you. And lots more coming up tomorrow. We have the Rohit Bal show and the...
Aisha Dipala show. So lots more to look forward to.
And Rohit Bal, as we all know, is the king of fashion. So we have to look forward to lots of drama in that show.
Right, so we will see you back tomorrow, same time, same place.
Till then, couture goodbye to you.